Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine and enjoy good time and good health. Today inshallah we will resume talking about mathematics of finance with simple interest, chapter number 2 under the title of present value. Questions. We know that S equal B plus I. To calculate the amount, S equal principal plus interest. We can calculate I by three ways according to the type of time. If the time is in years, then I equal BRT. T here is in years. Secondly, if the time is in months, then I equal B times R times number of months over 12. The third case, if the time is in days, then we have two ways. I ordinary interest, IO, and exact interest, IE. Ordinary interest equal B times R times number of days over 360. Exact interest, IE, equal B times R times number of days over 365 or 366 according to the type of year, if it leap year or non-leap year. Also, we can calculate the days by two ways: approximate time and exact time. So we have four ways to get I: ordinary interest with approximate time, or ordinary interest with exact time. Also, we have exact interest with approximate time and exact interest with exact time. Note that the time must be corresponding with rate. Also, if we deal with a non-leap year, we can get I ordinary by using I exact, because there is a relationship between I ordinary and I exact. So if the year is non-leap year, I ordinary equal to 73 over 72 times I exact. And to get I exact equal to 72 over 73 times I ordinary. Also, if the year is leap year, then I ordinary equal to 61 over 60 I exact. And to get I exact equal 60 over 61 I ordinary. Also, the difference between I ordinary and I exact, we can use it to get I ordinary or I exact. If the year is a non-leap year, then I ordinary equal to 73 times the difference between I ordinary and I exact. And if the year is a non-leap year, then I exact equal to 72 times I ordinary minus I exact. So to get S is equal B times L1 plus RT, and to get B, the present value equal to S over 1 plus RT, S over 1 plus RT. Let's start with the first problem. If money can be invested at 7% per annum, find the present value of $16,000 obligation due in 15 months. To solve this problem, we must draw it. In this slide, we show that we have an obligation, $16,000, deserve after 15 months with a rate of 7%, and we need to calculate the present value. The equation, the present value equal to S over 1 plus RT. From the timeline, S equals $16,000, R equal 7%, and T equal 15 months. We know that the time must be corresponding with rate, so it's an annual rate, so we must divide 15 months over 12. So the present value equal to 14,712.64. Note that the present value must be less than the amount. 14,712 is less than $16,000. To calculate the interest, you can get the difference between S and B, 16,000 minus 14,712. Problem number 2. 4 months after borrowing money, a person pays back exactly $200. How much was borrowed if the $200 payment includes the principal and simple interest at 9%? From this example, we need to calculate the present value, and we know S equal $200 and R equal 9% and T equal 4 months. Let's start with drawing time diagram. The total time here equal 4 months. S equal $200 with R 9%. We need to get the present value now. By substituting in equation B equal S over 1 plus RT, for S equal 200 and for R 9%, and for T with 4 over 12, we will get B equal $194.17. And to get the interest, I equal S or S minus B, 200 minus 194. Another example. Alia wishes to have $1,000 in 8 months. If she can earn 6% simple interest, how much does she need to invest on September 15, and how much interest does she earn? Note that she want to have $1,000 after 8 months. That means that S equal $1,000 with interest rate 6%. We need to get the present value now. Note that now mean September 15. We will know what that mean by looking at the timeline. In this timeline, she wanted to have $1,000 after 8 months. So the timeline, the total time here equal to 8 months. By using a rate of 6%, what she can invest now or what she can invest on September 15 to have $1,000 after 8 months with 6% interest. By substituting in B equal S over 1 plus RT, substituting for S equal $1,000 and for R equal 6% and for T equal 8 over 12, we can get B, which is equal $961.538. So to get $1,000 after 8 months, she must pay 961. She must invest 9,961, and the difference between $1,000 and 961 equal to the interest she can earn. So I equal S minus B. S equal 1,000, B equal 961, so I equal $38.46. She will get $38 as a benefit or as an interest. Another example: 80 days after borrowing money, a person pays back exactly $2,500. How much was borrowed? If the $2,500 payment includes principal and simple interest at 10.25%. Let's explain. What will we mean, or what we mean by includes principal and simple interest? B plus I. That's mean S equal $2,500, and we need to calculate B and I by using T equal 80 days and interest rate R equal to 10.75%. In this timeline, after 80 days, we have S equal $2,500, and we need to get the present value by using R equal 10.75%. From B equal S over 1 plus RT, for substituting for S 2,500, over 1 plus 1075 per 10,000 times 80 over 360. So B equal 2441.67. We note that we dividing on 360, so it is an ordinary interest, and to get the ordinary interest, I, by using S and B from a formula, I equal S minus B, we have S 2500 and B 2441, so I equal $58.33. Problem number 5. The HSBC bank is charging 7% on a debenture. Musab owes $12,000 on December 1, 2004, but decides to pay off the loan early on January 1, 2004. Find the payoff. From the timeline, we have $12,000 after 11 months. Note that we get the time by subtract January 1, 2004 from December 1, 2004. So we have on days 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and on months we have 12 minus 1 equal to 11, and for years 2004 minus 2004 equal to 0, so we have 11 months. B equal $12,000 over 1 plus 7% times 11 over 12, so B equal $11,275.4. Note that S is greater than B, and to get I equal 12,000 minus 11,276. Thank you for watching. For any question, leave your comment at the bottom of the video, and I'll try to answer it next time.